Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series, Organic Chemistry questions for you. Here you go anisole para position you have OH. You are reacting with sodium hydroxide and epoxide with side chain chloride. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the question is all about regioselectivity. Here the first question is which will be the nucleophile, alcohol or methoxide. Alcohol will be nucleophile since you are using the base subtract the proton, so it's become charged. It will be a better nucleophile. Then where it will attack? It will attack A, B or C. Because C is very favorable, less hindered position. Moreover, mechanism is SN2 also. Then B is not possible because strain assistance of epoxide drives the reaction. So C attack leads to the ring opening. You have leaving group and charge system in the same position. So what really happened? Again the ring closure happened. Chlorine leaves. You have epoxide again. The concept you have to learn here is whenever you have regioselectivity, use the fundamentals to decide the final product. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.